This is 2227 9th Avenue. It's a 6-bedroom, 1.5 bath house, brick house. It has a large porch, a large backyard with off-street parking. This is the living room area. It has nice drapes in the front. It has French doors. This could be a dining room or a downstairs bedroom if so desired, which would make it a 7-bedroom house. Kitchen here. Has plenty of cabinetry space. It has a downstairs back pantry or storage room. It has a washer and dryer hookup and a bathroom downstairs, half bath. It has a large backyard. More storage space in the kitchen. It also has a basement. It has hardwood banisters in it. All new blinds. It has one smaller bedroom in it with new blinds and new paint. An additional bedroom, which would be a master bedroom. A second identical room, 9 by 14, and a large bedroom on the rear of the house, which overlooks the backyard and carport. It's $12.99. It is available today. My number is 304-634-5156. I require first and last month's deposit, and tenant pays the utilities. Thank you.